Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Green Hell Survival using an easy method. To begin, select the Tourist difficulty setting. This significantly reduces hostile encounters and resource decay, making your initial hours much smoother. Prioritize finding clean water and edible food to maintain your health and energy levels. Quickly gather materials to craft a stone axe and a basic fire starter, as these are crucial for progression. Once you've started, immediately seek out a location near a water source like a river for your first temporary camp. Constructing a simple shelter, such as a small lean-to, allows you to save your game and rest safely. Focus on collecting abundant resources like plant fibers from small bushes and sticks from the ground. These are vital for crafting ropes, bandages, and basic tools. Effective resource management is key to long-term survival. Always ensure you have a steady supply of clean water, either by boiling dirty water or using a water filter. Cook all meat to avoid parasites. Build a water collector and a drying rack as soon as possible to secure food and water. Gradually expand your base with a comfortable bed and storage boxes to keep your inventory organized and safe. As you progress, crafting a bow and arrows will make hunting much safer and more efficient than relying on spears. Always explore new areas with extreme caution, keeping an eye out for predators and dangerous plants. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Mastering these techniques will significantly improve your chances of thriving in the green hell.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.